Welcome to PBS LearningMedia. Here you will find free, standards-aligned videos, interactives, lesson plans, and more for teachers and parents like you. This tutorial will explain resource types and viewing options. PBS LearningMedia has multiple types of resources. On the search results page, one of the filters on the left is called Resource Type. Resource types include video, audio, images, web pages, documents, interactives, interactive lessons, lesson plans, media galleries, collections, and teacher-built resources. You can easily determine what type of resource a result is by looking for these icons. You can find these icons on search results and on individual resource pages. Let's take a closer look at some of these resource types. Interactives and interactive lessons are often grouped together in PBS LearningMedia, but they are not the same. An interactive resource usually consists of an interactive simulation, such as this density lab. An interactive lesson is a module that contains a wide variety of interactive features. Interactive lessons will be covered in more detail in another PBS LearningMedia tutorial. Lesson plans are unique in that they contain media resources, but also other information that teachers will find useful. This includes information on learning objectives, teacher prep, lesson procedures, supplies, handouts, and more. Media galleries consist of multiple videos and/or images put together in a slideshow. Use the arrow buttons to click through the resources. Collections are a special resource type, and they look different from the others. Collections are groups of individual resources that are related to each other. The main page of a collection has its own banner at the top. You can find an inventory of what is included in the collection in the top right corner under the banner. Collection resources and sub-collections are displayed on the left. Now that we have summarized the types of resources you can find in PBS LearningMedia, let's take a look at an individual resource to learn more about viewing and sharing options. When viewing a resource page, click the play icon or launch button in the center of the media to view it. Once the resource has been played, it can be expanded by clicking in the lower right corner of the media. For videos, click the CC option for closed captioning if they are available. To determine whether or not a resource is downloadable, look to the lower right corner under the resource. If the resource can be downloaded, a download option will be available. Slightly further down from here in the About tab, you can see information on permitted use and accessibility options for the resource. If available, tabs for support materials and standards are available in the bottom left corner of the media. If another language is available, a drop-down menu will be displayed under the bottom right corner of the media. If you'd like to share a resource, click the Assign or Share button to the left of the media. Here a resource can be shared via email, Twitter, Facebook, and Pinterest. You can also assign to a class or share to Remind here, but these features will be discussed in another tutorial. That's all for this tutorial. If you'd like to continue learning about how to use PBS LearningMedia, check out our other tutorials or visit the PBS LearningMedia help page. Thanks.